This is my 6/13/2024 market daily bias. Okay, so the 4 hour looks like it should be bullish, right? Because broke pressure up right here. We came down here, never broke pressure down. Well, we still have 2 hours before he breaks pressure back down. So the 4 hour is still bullish. So we're looking for a bullish sentiment now, okay? 1 hour is bullish, but this 20-minute candle to make it bearish. So we're looking for a hourly. We're looking for 15-minute breakup just back to the upside. That's what we're gonna do today. So go back to the 4 hour. What can there be our bias to go to the upside? This thing became right here. Can't really decide, but this right here we could decide. Wait, we could do is put this as a liquidity over there. All right, and then other than that, what we got is a basically for VI gap. All right. Other than fair value gap, we got a huge order block, which could push the market definitely higher. Now let's look at the opposite way of our market. What do we see in the opposite way? You saw this order block. Did this order block get touched? Gotta be careful. This 4 hour order block did not get touched. Indeed. Okay. So this 4 hour order block did not get touched. So we gotta watch out for this. What we could do is put that as a bearish, you know what I'm saying? So we watch out. So basically, now we go to the that's the whole 4 hour we call it buys, by the way. So then we can go for this buy side liquidity for the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's not the hourly. We could basically go for this, you know, so let's take profit over here. So yeah. Now let me see the hourly time frame to do anything. We got nothing in the hourly over here, nothing. Only liquidity. So another liquidity over here. All right. So all we got is our daily. All we got in our, like, you know, saying as our daily bias. Not as our daily bias. I mean, as our, like, you know, saying as our confluences or 4 hour, and this 1 hour candle here. So let's see in the opposite way. What do we have? We have this huge 4 hour for VI gap over here. So what can we go to take profit? Because we're bullish. So we're looking for 15 breakouts to the upside. We could basically aim for two things, right? TP1 would be right here. It is buy side liquidity, right? But break even spot would be right here. But that's hourly, you know what I'm saying, order block. And right here. So basically these two right here is giving the break even spot. Right? So basically, let me actually write it down. Break even spot right over there. Ooh, a lighter color. Let me go put it inside on the break even spot right over there. You can see, right? So that right here, right on this breakup block, it's gonna be break even spot right here. Gonna be TP1, and right here is gonna be another TP over here because it's huge 4 hour. This whole 4 hour like auto block is huge. So we don't want to be too risky and put our take profit inside here because it could just touch it and come back down. So our take profit is gonna basically be out of right here is break even spot. Right here is gonna be TP1, and right here is gonna be TP2. Although we see this other hourly high, they could definitely crush on the PPI news, but we're gonna see, right? So basically, right here is where we're gonna decide. So actually, as I might take profit, I'm not gonna go for the 4 hour for auto block. You know why? Because I'm saying huge, and as you know, a touch of an auto block is also that a touch of it could just push the market right back down, and we want to get our money for the day because it's Thursday and tomorrow and today's PPI, so we gotta be careful, right? So what we could do is today, basically what I want market to do is basically to keep up this low, touch this 4 hour for right gap, touch this 4 hour auto block, and go back up. Give me 15 minutes to the upside. Right here break even, right here TP1, and right here TP1, and right here the last TP. So yeah. Other than that, yeah, let me actually go put it down as well. Take profit. Right there, take profit, right? So at 2020, let me take profit, right? So basically go down here, touch this, and go back up, right? So hourly is definitely gonna close bearish, right? So it's gonna give us a hourly breakup block, water block, and this whole fair value gap, hourly fair value gap just got inversed. Okay, so that's giving us bearish signs. But now last thing we're gonna do is gonna mark the recent session highs and lows. There, right here. So what is the high of London? Right here. So that's where I go. That's where we're going there as a take profit. Basically, boom. What is the low of? So that's the high. The low of London looks like to be right over here. So this is so the reason I'm making out right here because you can see the low of London is right over here. So what is the high of Asian preservation? Looks like to be right over here. Don't gotta care about that shit. What is the low? The low looks like to be right here. This won't really bother us, but we can still put it there. But since our chart is so messy, we don't really need this. We just need one thing. All we need is just this, certain recent session high of London. So what we could do is now, see, you already touched the 4 hour fair value gap, touched the breakup block, and touched the order block as well. So basically get a 15-minute breakup, touch it to the upside. But news is coming out in 30 minutes. That's why I'm looking for a 15-minute confluence, not a 5-minute, because hourly is against our bias. And what we could do is just go up here. TP1 and TP2 right over here, then we're out of the market. And it depends. So if the market touches it before us getting in, touches this order block before us getting in, we gotta try not to take profit. Yeah, but this is it. Thank you for watching. Actually, let me go read my notes out for y'all. Let me read my notes. Okay, so my notes basically saying that when the hourly so just an example right here, when the hourly is near closing time and it looks like gonna create a builder block, so you're gonna create a order block and a breaker block, do not enter and wait. They're not buying sell premium when executing in the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame is against the bias. Either way for a breakup structure or look for conflict to enter, especially when the breakups are not near the market. I'll constantly monitor both of the market while manipulation. I'll do only one take profit when against the bias. When the hourly time frame is against the bias, I will either wait for a 15-minute breakup structure or if you look for 15-minute confluence. If a breakup structure doesn't happen, I'll look for a 15-minute confluence, risking only 0.5%. And once he breaks structure in a 15-minute time frame, look for a real setup risking 1%. I will use higher time frame. I will not look at 1 minute chart unless every condition is met. I will not break even through. I will not break into it. I will not trade before 15 minutes before news because it comes into inflation. But today we're waiting till 8:30 to before we can't trade before 8:30, right? I'll get a deeper feel of a right matter to touch because that's a replaceable technique by market makers. I have a wide stop, but I will let the market breathe. I will not trade during agent sessions. I'll be confident, purely emotional, and not greedy. I will only go 1 to 2 take profit. When the take profit gets hit, I will check the 15-minute time frame. If the 15-minute time frame closes above or below, goes above, I'm hold 10 next take profit, goes below, get off position. The first trade will always be 1%, the second trade will always be 0.5%. I will not make the same mistake over and over rapidly. When having a short or buy setup, again another setup against, I will not enter and wait before I will now enter and wait and let the first setup hit TP before proceeding. I'll back it every day for 30 minutes. I will observe what happens when I have to touch my order block and use that advantage. My trade is a good stack only position, meaning a 5-minute trade and gives another good buying position or adds 0.5 to the trade. I'll let the candle close. I'll look for other confidence only breakups for the market in 5 minutes and 1 minute. When the hourly chart is against my bias, I'll look for 15-minute breakup. If I will constantly monitor 5 to 15-minute time frame for frames to see a setup before a real setup appears on 15 time frame. If I see a setup here on a 5-minute time frame, I'll risk as a bonus, risking 0.5% because they can come right down and take me out. After a break structure on a 15 time frame, I'll look for a real setup and I'll risk 1%. I'll trust the process of the trade, not the outcome of the trade. A touch of an order block and breakup block is enough, and I will not break it. A touch of an order block and breakup block is enough. I don't need a defill. So yeah, and I'll release every day when it's not a trading day. And my main focus for today is to take action on my setup. Take action when I see my setup. And yeah, although I did not see my setup this whole week, right? Although I did see it, but saying bad days, I'm not gonna trade bad days, right? Although I did see it, but next time I'm gonna make sure that we gotta take action. So today we're definitely gonna take action, okay? Thanks for watching, and this is my advice.